In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your contact tier and marketing contact count in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through a straightforward process to access this crucial information. So, let's dive in and get started. First, make sure you've opened HubSpot and logged into your account. It's important to be on the right account to access the necessary features, so double-check that you're logged in correctly using your appropriate credentials. Once you're in, we'll move on to the key part of today's guide. Now, on your HubSpot dashboard, your go-to spot will be the trial guide. This trial guide is a treasure trove of resources, perfect for kicking off your form building process. By navigating here, you're positioning yourself to better leverage the tools and insights HubSpot offers, so you'll want to become familiar with this area if you aren't already. On your homepage, look towards the top right where your profile icon is. Click on your profile to open a drop-down menu. This menu provides various account-related options, so it's an essential starting point for many of your daily tasks within HubSpot. From this drop-down, select the Account and Billing option. This is where you'll find all the information related to your account's current status, usage, and limitations. It's a critical area for understanding your usage metrics and contact details. Once you're in the Account and Billing section, you should see an option labeled Usage and Limits. Click on this to proceed. This section provides a detailed overview of how much of your allocated resources you're using, including contact tiers. It's a helpful space to ensure you're on top of your account limits and can adjust accordingly if necessary. On the left-hand side of this page, look for a section titled Marketing Contacts. Click on it, and voila! You will be presented with a clear and precise view of your marketing contacts information. Here, HubSpot displays the total number of marketing contacts you have in your account. This not only helps in maintaining effective communication with your customers, but also ensures you're staying within your plan's limits and optimizing your resources efficiently. By following these steps, you now have direct access to your contact tier and can easily keep track of how many marketing contacts are present in your HubSpot account. This tracking is vital for making informed decisions about your marketing strategies and ensuring you're getting the most out of your HubSpot experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to check out other tutorials to fully maximize your use of HubSpot. Until next time.